Hey guys, today I'm working with a Maytag Centennial HE washer. And it's just a couple years old. It's in like new condition. Right now I've got it on a power wash cycle. Just got the temperature set to cool, light on the soil, and then you've got extra runs off, fabric softener off. I don't run those things, save the water. Of course, everything electrically, mechanically, and a 28-point inspection does get checked, and everything has to pass and work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale. Then I do this test video here as if you were standing here yourself testing it out so that you can see everything works good. Right now it's filling up with water, so I've got a pretty heavy load in there, and it's in the process of filling up with water. It's on the sensing portion, so it's going to know how much water to use and then move into the wash cycle. So we're going to kind of allow it to move through. I'll let you see that the water drains out, it agitates good, and that the spin cycle is nice and fast and smooth and sounds good. So we're going to let it go ahead and finish filling up and move on from there. Okay, and it's moved into the wash cycle. It's still pausing to add a little bit more water. This load was pretty heavy, but it got just about full submersion, and the agitation plate on the bottom kind of works those clothes down, in and around. That's how that new style, the HE style, works. So now you know it washes good through the agitation. We're going to let it move on. We'll hear it drain and then go for that spin cycle. Alright guys, moving out of the wash cycle. It's draining the water out. You can hear it draining nice and fast. Next it's going to move on to the rinse cycle. Alright, we moved in here to the rinse cycle. I'm actually going to show you while it's rinsing that it's moving, spinning nice and fast. Get the drain running. Nice balanced load. No weird noises or anything like that. And then there again, you saw that it's spinning nice and fast, balanced on the inside. I've got things to do, so I won't actually be here to catch the spin cycle, and I don't want to run it all over again. So I decided to catch it now so you can see. That's going to do it for this video on the washer. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks. Alright guys, now on to the matching electric dryer. Right now I've got it running. Here, I'll show you real quick. We'll open this up. Got those clothes moved over. You can see the light's nice and bright. The lid switch works. Obviously opened it up and it shut it down. So time dry, high heat, hit go. Now I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Right in between those two red dots. That's where it takes its surface temperature measurement. So we're going to open this up. Shoot it right inside the heating element tube there. You can see plenty of heat coming in there. And essentially can get pretty hot inside this tube because the heating element is right behind that plate there. But the inside of your dryer is only going to get from about 95 up to 195, and that just depends on what you have the heat setting at. So you could do a delicate if for whatever reason you needed to dry something that didn't require a lot of heat. Casual, this for like jeans and towels. There's also a no heat air fluff setting too. So I'm going to let these finish drying, get these listed up for sale. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.